Pioneer Day is coming up, and today we're going to be making a cute Pioneer Day craft. For those of you that don't know, Pioneer Day is a state holiday in Utah that commemorates the day that Brigham Young, the leader of the Mormon pioneers, reached the Salt Lake Valley. Today we are going to make covered wagons out of paper. Start with 2 pieces of brown cardstock and cut them both into squares. Use a ruler to draw a line between both sets of opposite corners, making an X. Fold each corner over to the middle until it touches the center line. Fold each edge over until it touches the center line. You can see that the creases form squares and triangles. Cut along the second square and triangle to the right of the corner. Cut the triangle to the right of that off. Turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat until you've done this on all 4 sides. You now have 4 little tails and 4 larger arrow-looking things. Fold each arrow over each tail until the triangular part is flat on the paper. Use a small piece of tape to hold everything together. Repeat all the steps to make another little box. Staple your 2 boxes together, like this. Take a piece of white cardstock and measure it so it is the same length as the boxes. Now use scissors or a craft knife to cut a slit on either side of the inside of your box. Now slip the ends of the paper into the slits of the box. The last thing we need to do is make the wheels. Use something circular, like a bowl or a Tupperware container, and trace it 8 times on another piece of brown cardstock. Cut each circle out carefully. Now place them in pairs and glue each pair together. Glue the wheels onto the wagon like this. Let it dry and your covered wagon is finished. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my channel for more easy paper crafts.